Let's learn English together. Are you ready for a new story? Let's begin.
Mom, look at these beautiful apples. They are very beautiful. Look at the balloons. They are beautiful. Can we look at them? Yes, we can look.
Did you notice what happened? Let us watch the story again. This is Lily. She is a little girl who is shopping with her mom. She is holding her favorite teddy bear, Teddy. Teddy is small, brown, and wearing a blue shirt. Lily is happy, and she is looking around the supermarket. Then she sees the colorful balloons above her. Lily looks at the balloons and forgets about Teddy for a moment. Look carefully. Teddy slowly slips from Lily's arm and falls onto the floor. Lily does not see him fall. She keeps walking with her mom, but Teddy is left behind. But the story is not over yet. Let us continue watching the rest of the story.
Mom, this shop is so big. Yes, it is very big. Where is Teddy? Teddy is gone.
Do not worry. We will find Teddy.
Let us look back at this part of the story. Lily notices that Teddy is gone. She looks around and asks, "Where is Teddy?" Her mom helps her and says they will find him. Now they are searching together. But look carefully. Teddy is very close to them. Lily and her mom walk right past him, but they do not see him. Will they find Teddy? Let us continue watching the rest of the story.
Where can Teddy be?
We will find him.
Can I help you? My teddy bear is missing.
Let us look together. Maybe we can find him.
We will keep looking. I found something. Oh, it is a bag.
Good try, Lily.
You are very close. Let us check another place. Teddy, I found you. Thank you for helping me.
Let us look back at the story together. Lily went to the supermarket with her mom. She had her favorite teddy bear, but Teddy got lost. Lily felt worried, but she did not give up. Her mom helped her, and kind people joined the search. Everyone worked together to find Teddy. After looking carefully, they finally found him. Lily was very happy to have Teddy back. This story shows us something important. Helping others can create new friendships. Now let us learn some words from the story. Lost means you cannot find something. Search means to look for something. Help means to make something easier for someone. Find means to see or get something you were looking for. Together means doing something with other people. Great job! You learned 5 new words today. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what are your favorite toy? We would love to read your answers. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and share it with a friend. Subscribe to Vulcan Studios for more fun and easy English stories. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next story.